in Zephyr, Texas for the most incredible white-tailed deer hunt you will ever take. Your 3-night, 4-day trip consists of a one-on-one guided white-tailed buck hunt, deluxe 4-star lodging, and all of your beverages and gourmet meals. While on the property, enjoy bass fishing on one of the pristine lakes, as well as around in the spectacular sporting clay arena with 100% success rate for white-tailed deer hunts. This is the hunting expedition where big dreams come true. This includes your white-tailed buck up to 130 Boone and Crockett, the 5F hunting experience in Texas.
Here's the deal, guys. When you go out there, they have a 14-pointer stuck, but it's not up. It's hanging like you just got them, okay? So you can get your picture taken next to the 14-pointer and tell everybody it was yours.
But Angie has something special.
What do you got, Angie?
Well, I'm trying to find my husband, but he's disappeared. Portaday, you want to go with us? I think Portaday wants to go, yeah. Well, anyway, whoever bids on this trip, Mike is going to hunt with you as well. And maybe if we book it around the Texas NASCAR race, we'll get you garage passes for that race as well.
Woo-wee! Folks, whitetail in Texas, let's get it up and go. Folks, most incredible hunt you've ever had. We have an opening bid of $2 million. $2 million if you quit. By the way, air, round trip, everything wrapped into one. Who's got $1,000 to buy with a bid and you bid to buy? Start it and go. It is for two and Angie and Mike. Who got $1,000 to go? I got 1,000 with you, Dave. Dave and somebody behind you too. I got an 1,100. 1,100. I got 1,100. Could have go 12. Now 12. I got 1,100 bid. Could have go 12. 1,100 could have go 12 is in. Now 13. 13 good. Could have go 13. 15. 15. Come on, 16. 15. Come on, 16. 16 in the front now. 17. See, talk to him, Paul. 17. 17. Sir, I love your haircut. You'll fit right in Texas. Said 18. 19. Come on, 19. Don't quit now. I got 18. 19 good now. 2. Come on, go 2. Add a 1. 2, 1. 21. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22. 22 the bid now. 23. 24. 23 good up. 24 now. 25. This is where we should have started.
Guys, this is hunting, food,
I got 24 now. 25.
garage passes.
Now 25.
Let's go.
24. 25. 26. 26. 26 one time. Now 27. Now 27. 26 good about 27. Sir, was that a bid? Go like this. I got 26 good about 27. Folks, you haven't even paid for the beer. Now 27, 28. Now 27, 28, 29. Now come on, 29. Go 3. New shooter. Now 3. 3 is in. Now 31, 32, 32, 32. Say it again. I got 32. Now 33. 32 with Debbie. Could I go 33? 32 Debbie. Could I go 33? Go to 32. It's going 33. Last call. 34. 34. 34. 35. Last call. 35. You're going hunting. You got it. Barbara.
Listen up, everybody. This is
Hey, Cedric.